My dear viewers, now discuss fill in the blanks based on physical and chemical changes in West Bengal Board Class 7. Okay, the chemical composition of the substance does not change and no new substance is formed. For example, melting of ice, dissolving sugar in water, etc. For the description, for the example of physical change, melting of ice, boiling water, breaking glass, coughing or folding paper, baking egg. Okay, but some reversible, but some irreversible. Okay, now in chemical change occur when the atom in the substance are arranged into different composition, resulting in a new substance with different properties for cooking, roasting, burning, etc. For example, so the picture fireworks, flying eggs, photosynthesis for plant, burning of wood, composition, that is the combustion of propane, digestion. Okay, it is all the example of physical change. Now discuss in the some fill in the blanks. Okay. Now fill in the blanks in the following statement. Cutting down of tree is or and dash change. Artificial change. Artificial change mean occurring by the human activity. Okay. Next question. Germination of seeds is a dash change, slow change, because it is a very low motion process. Okay. So it is a slow change. Okay. Next question. The product of an dash change are harmful and unpleasant. That is undesirable change. Okay, but desirable change is the not harmful and pleasant. Okay, so this part undesirable. Okay, next question, question number 4. The changes in which there is release of heat energy are called dash change. Due to the create the temperature show this change exothermic change. Okay, if the chemical properties of a substance remain unchanged but its shape changes, it is a dash change, physical change. So it is no change of composition. So it is a physical change. Next question, question number 6. The new products from in a chemical change show dash properties. New property. Okay, that is the change the composition of the product from difference the initial product, that is the reactant. Okay, next question. In physical changes, the energy change is minimal. Okay, next question. The process in which a solid gets converted into its liquid state when heat is known as melting. Okay, next question. The process of evaporation takes place at a temperature below the dash point of the liquid. Boiling. Evaporation process also known as the type of physical change. Okay. Question number 10. Change that repeat after a fixed interval of a time are known as periodic change. Okay. Next, when carbon dioxide is passed through lime water means calcium hydroxide. Okay, calcium hydroxide CaO is whole to lime water. It turns milky due to the formation of calcium carbonate. That is the formula CaCO3. Next question. The chemical name of the baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate. That is NaCO3, sodium hydrogen carbonate. Next question, question number 13. Two methods by which rusting of iron can be prevented are galvanization and pinting. Okay. Next question, changes in which only physical, okay, physical properties of a substance change are called physical change. Next question, new substance is always formed in a dash change, chemical change. That is initial to for formation the product change the composition, so it is a chemical change. Next question, melting of ice is a dash change, melting of point, boiling of water, etc. It is a physical change. Next question, when a candle burnt, asked melt, melting of axe is a physical change, but burning of candle, this what indicate the chemical change, but melting of the axe is a physical change. Okay. Next question, burning of a foil is a dash change, that is change the composition, so burning of foils it is a chemical change. Okay. Next question, revolution of earth around the sun is a dash change, periodic change. Okay. Next question, glowing of the sliding into a plant is a dash change, slow change. This is a slow motion, so the slow change in dash change. No new substance is formed, that is physical change. No new product formed, that is the no change of composition, so this is the physical change. Next question, question number 22. A foil smelling spoiled food is a dash change, chemical change. Next question, properties such as shape, size, color, and state of a substance are called dash properties, that is physical property. Next question, turning of lime water, that is calcium hydroxide, to milky is a standard text of dash gas, that is a carbon dioxide gas. This is the identify this gas, carbon dioxide, CO2. Next question. Chemical change is also called a dash reaction. That is a chemical reaction. Chemical reaction. Okay. Next question. Question number 26. Photosynthesis is an example of chemical change. Okay. It is the example of plant for the chemical change. Okay, next question. Conditions for rusting of iron is air and water. Air and is a condition for rusting. Next question. Chemical name of vinegar. Acetic acid. That is the formula of acetic acid, CH3COOH. Okay. Next question. Question number 29. Making sugar solution is a dash change, physical change. That is no change of composition, so it is the physical change. Okay. Next question, that is the last question of the part. A physical change is generally reversible. Okay, but some example, for example cases, for example, cutting of paper, it is an irreversible physical change, but normally physical change is known as reversible change. My dear viewers, to take the PDF form, also others query, please comment comment in box. Okay, thank you. Okay, my dear viewers, any query, please comment in box.